Yan, good day mga Pukis and Kaputrip. Yan, tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-convert ng PayPal to GCash. Yan, follow this step. Yan, dapat meron kayong Chrome. Yan, click yung Chrome and then type yung log in. Make sure meron kayong account sa PayPal and then enter your email and then enter your yan, meron tayong balance sa PayPal. Ang gagawin ninyo is punta tayo sa ito, click yung 3 dots and then go to PayPal balance. Kailangan i-convert ninyo yung US dollar to Philippine money. Yan. Click yung 3 dots. Yan, convert currency. Then click Philippines. Next. Then click kung ilan yung i-convert ninyo. Yan, then next. Yan. And conversion rate is $1. $1 equivalent to 55.194. Yan, then next. Then convert now. Yan, you converted. Yan, convert na yung ating kinonvert na US dollar to Philippine money. Then, ganitong gagawin ninyo. Then, next, pupunta tayo sa ating GCash. Yan, make sure dapat yung ating PayPal nakalink yung ating GCash sa PayPal. Yan, check natin muna itong profile. May link. Yan, nakalink na yan. Nakalink na yung ating PayPal. Naka-blue pag nakalink. Ayun, GCash tas PayPal. Gawin ninyo para makuha ninyo yung convert ninyong pera sa PayPal. Then, click nyo yung cash in. And then, global partners and remittances. Yan, click yung PayPal. Yan, makikita naman ninyo yung available balance. Yan, yan, din kung magkano gusto mo cash in, o na bahala dyan. Sa ako ang kakash in ko ito. Yan, note, minimum amount required to proceed is 500 pesos. Yan, kailangan dapat meron kang 500 pesos sa PayPal. And next, you are about to cash in. Yan. Then confirm. Your cash in is being processed. Kindly wait up to 24 hours for your transaction to complete. You will receive an SMS as soon as your transaction is complete. Ayun, na-convert na. Kita ninyo, lumabas yung sa messages ko sa aking numero. Yan, okay na. Then, check natin kung okay na yung ating na-convert. Yan, okay na, available na. Ito na yung available balance natin. Meron na tayo. So, okay na yung successful yung ating conversion. Yan, na-transfer na natin yung PayPal to GCash. Yan, sa mga nakagusto sa aking video, yan, paki-follow. Then, paki-subscribe na rin ako. And then, pa-share this video. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Love you.